It's almost a rite of passage when you're learning Illustrator for the first time to accidentally toggle into outline view at some point and panic as your screen goes black and white and all of the beautiful colors and effects in your artwork are no longer visible. If this has just happened to you, don't worry. A quick toggle will put you right back in preview mode, and this is a great opportunity to learn about what outline mode is and how it can help you in your workflows. Hi, I'm Kat Kremser for Creative Pro, the essential how-to resource for design professionals. In this video, we're going to take a look at all of the great ways that outline view can help you through some tricky spots in Illustrator workflows, and why it's a great tool to have in your Illustrator toolbox. So let's jump in. First things first, what is outline view? You can think of outline view as almost X-ray vision into paths that make up your illustration or artwork. This view strips away all of your fills, strokes, and effects, so all you see is the underlying paths that make up every piece of your art. You can easily toggle in and out of this view using the shortcut Control-Y on a PC or Command-Y on a Mac. This shortcut will help you flip quickly back and forth between our outline view and the default preview mode using either your GPU or CPU. You can also access this view through the View menu, but the keyboard shortcut is great to know because once you see how helpful outline view can be in your workflow, you'll end up using it pretty often. So when and how is outline view most helpful? When you're working with complex layered artwork, it can be very difficult to try and select or edit paths that fall behind other paths. Now there's lots of helpful tricks for this, including locking and hiding different groups of pieces, but those solutions all rely on a well-organized Illustrator file. And we do occasionally end up working on files that may not have the best group or layer structure. The great news is that no matter what layer the piece you're trying to target is on, you'll be able to see all of the edges clearly in outline view, and you'll be able to use tools like your direct select tool to select or edit those paths quickly and easily. Another great use for outline view is to find those sneaky invisible paths that have no fill and no stroke. In normal preview modes, those will be completely invisible to you as you're working in Illustrator, but a quick flip into outline view will help you visualize exactly where those paths are and clean them up if necessary. Looking for rectangles that shouldn't exist in your drawing is another quick tip that you can use in outline view to quickly identify pieces that may have gotten rasterized by accident, or identify things like extra clipping paths and groups when you're trying to simplify an illustration. This view mode can also be extremely helpful if you are receiving vector artwork from another designer or opening a stock image, and this can help you quickly get the full lay of the land and figure out how this illustration was constructed so that you can be more efficient with your editing process. In addition to glancing at the layers panel and the appearance panel, outline mode is one of the first things I'll look at when I'm receiving a file from another designer. While none of the tasks mentioned here are maybe the most glamorous part of using Illustrator, they are things that happen in everyday situations, so having that shortcut in your back pocket and knowing how to use outline mode effectively can be a great tool in your workflow.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.